Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. I recently volunteered with the United Way to pack personal hygiene kits for 4 nonprofit organizations that support people experiencing homelessness and housing insecurities. I'm sharing this video because giving back fills my heart. It reminds me of how deeply connected we all are. And it's a small way that I can show up for others and honor their humanity we all share. I hope this inspires you to find your way of giving back. So whether it's your time, talent, or resources, or other acts of kindness, that will be awesome. So let's show up for one another. Thanks again for watching this video. And please share it with others. And don't forget to like. And in the comment section, let me know how you
in the balloon closet. I think there's one more. Henry County
Emergency.
Relief. Emergency relief.
Emergency services.
So 4 of the agencies will be here this morning, and you'll get to hear from them. And
Yeah, go ahead.
Provide them a little bit of assistance in the right direction and provide them with services and resources that will allow them to get clean, get better, and do better.
what county?
And we serve Coweta, Fayette, and Macon County.
And then we have Daryl back here from Eugene Way.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Daryl Starks. I'm the founder and CEO of Eugene Way Incorporated. We're based here in Plain County. We provide street-based services and case management to the unhoused community. We've been about since 2017. Serve roughly 150 people a year through street-based services. Since 2020, we've housed 115 people. So that's our goal to kind of get them off the streets and housing. And these hygiene kits are so helpful as we really need them in our work. I do want to say one thing. One of our biggest pushes is to try to change the way Clayton County sees and serves the unhoused community. Because a lot of times we think it's the old man in a tent or woman in a blanket, but there's so many women and children and seniors that are going through homelessness that we really want people to see what that looks like so we can really get the right kind of help. But thank you very much.
Thank you.
Joanne with St. Vincent de Paul here. So Joanne, if you'd like just to talk about a little bit about your agency and then the hygiene kits and what they're going to go to.
I'm from a conference of St. Vincent de Paul. St. Vincent de Paul Society is a worldwide organization. So our parent organization is St. Vincent de Paul, Georgia. And the St. Vincent de Paul Conference is at various Catholic churches, but not all. So we are located at St. Philip Benizi on Flint River Road in Jonesboro. And we operate a food pantry every Friday. And I have to tell you, yesterday we had as many people as we've had on Thanksgiving. So it was huge, and I don't know if that portends for the future. So the toiletries will be given out to the homeless that come to our church office and ask for food. We have bags of food that we give them that can be opened easily. They can use the toiletries. We'll give them to people who call us and ask for assistance. We get calls from people in motels and in the park and in various places. So we're very grateful for United Way's offer of this.
So we have a little bit longer.
Provide them a little bit of assistance in the right direction and provide them with services and resources that will allow them to